Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to download Telegram on your desktop. So for this, go to your Google browser or any browser and type Telegram on your browser and click on enter. After searching for Telegram, you can click on telegram.org. Click on it. Coming to this website, you can scroll down and click on Telegram for PC, Mac/Linux. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this website. Now click on get Telegram for Windows x64 over here. Click on it and it's downloading down over here. As you guys can see, wait for it until it downloads. After it's downloaded, you can go to your download folder over here. If Telegram is downloaded, as you guys can see, Telegram over here is downloaded. You can double click on it for it to install and click on OK. Click on next, click on yes, click on next, click on next, click on install, click on next. Wait for some time. And boom, Telegram has installed over here, as you guys can see. So that's basically how you install Telegram in desktop. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.